I'm going to show you how to share docs in ClickUp. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So all you need to do is find your ClickUp app, which is right over here. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you just need to create a doc if you don't already have one. So if you have it, then you would probably find it right over here, right next to space. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you can find your doc. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you're there, if you want to share it, then you just need to look at the top right corner where you can see the option of share. Just go ahead and tap there. You can either choose to share this exact page, or you can choose to share the entire doc. I'm going to choose the second option, and now you have permissions on where you want to share the doc. So you can either invite people or copy the link, or tap on share and directly share them. You can also manage the access level. If you want the entire workspace to access it, you can do that. But if you only want the inviting people, you can also do that. I have also the option to just publish it in Pubber. So it's completely your choice, and in this way you can successfully share docs in ClickUp.